The problem I'm going to be doing is the average value of cosine of x on certain intervals. The first part of this problem is the interval between negative pi over 2 is less than x power 2. The interval negative power 2 to power 2. So you do this by using the formula f of average. The average of f of x is equal to 1 over b minus a integral of negative pi over 2 pi over 2 of f of x d of x. So for this problem, it is going to be the average of f is equal to the 1 over pi over 2 minus negative pi over 2, because the interval is from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. So our a is negative pi over 2, and our b is pi over 2. And then f of x is equal to cosine of x d of x. This would be equal to the average of 1 over 2 pi over 2 of sine x from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. This is because the integral of cosine of x is sine of x, and the derivative of sine of x is cosine of x. This would equal 1 over pi times 1 minus negative 1. Because the sine of negative pi over 2 is negative 1, and sine of pi over 2 is 1. This is then equal to 1 over pi times 2, which is equal to 2 pi. Our second problem is going to have the same f of x as the previous problem. F of x is equal to cosine of x. This time it is going to have the interval from 0 is less than x, and x is less than 2 pi. So for this problem, you would use the same formula and just plug in all the values. So the average of f is equal to 1 over b minus a. In this case, b is 2 pi, and a is 0, so 2 pi minus 0, over the integral of 0 to 2 pi of cosine x d of x. Then you would continue to solve this, and it would become 1 over 2 pi sine times sine of x, interval 0 to 2 pi. So you would continue to solve this, making it 1 over 2 pi times sine of 2 pi minus sine of 0. Now, on the unit circle, it tells us that 2 pi, sine of 2 pi, is equal to 0, and sine of 0 is also equal to 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. And if we multiply that by 1 over 2 pi, the final answer would be 0. So that is how you solve the two problems that were given to us in the quiz. Thank you.